Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to on screen touch sound guys. This touch sound guys you want to on in your phone. So you can on it. In this video guys, I will show you how to on touch sound. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start the video. First of all open your phone setting to on touch sound. Click on sound setting. Just click on touch sound, right side click, so a touch sound will on in your Vivo phone as you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to on touch sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.